Everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing good. Today I will be talking about some famous politicians and leaders for their achievement in the field of politics and social reforms. So start the video. So one number is she is the youngest Prime Minister of New Zealand in more than 150 years. She became the Prime Minister in October 2017. Tick tick 5, tick tick 4, tick tick 3, tick tick 2, tick tick 1 and game over. So the answer is Jacinda Ardern. So right. Next. She became the youngest Nobel laureate when she was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 2014 for her protest against injustice towards women and her work for girls' education. Tick tick 5, tick tick 4, tick tick 3, tick tick 2, tick tick 1. So game over. So the answer is Mala Yousafzai. Baba Saheb, he was a lawyer, politician, and social reform who made efforts for the empowerment of the background classes in India. He played a major role in framing the India Constitution. Tick tick 5, tick tick 4. The answer is B.R. Ambedkar. So right. Next. He was an Indian scientist and leader who played a crucial role in developing India's missile and nuclear weapons programs. He was also the President of India from 2002 to 2007. Guess the answer. Tick tick 5, tick tick 4, tick tick 3, tick tick 2, tick tick 1. Game over. So the answer is APJ Abdul Kalam. Next. Noted for her political skills, he became the first female Chancellor of Germany in 2005 and the longest serving head of government in the European Union European Union? Guess the answer. Tick tick 5, tick tick 4, tick tick 3, tick tick 2, tick tick 1, and game over. So the answer is Angela Merkel. The answer is Angela Merkel. Next, he was the youngest Prime Minister of India. He made technology and computers available to common people in India. He was posthumously awarded the Bharat Ratna in 1991. That's the answer. Tick tick 5, tick tick 4, tick tick 3, tick tick 2, tick tick 1, and game over. So the answer is Rajiv Gandhi. Rajiv Gandhi. Next, 7 number. She was the first lady of United States from 1993 to 2001. She has also served as the 67 U.S. Secretary of State. Tick tick 5, tick tick 4, tick tick 3, tick tick 2, tick tick 1, and game over. So the answer is Hillary Clinton. Hillary Clinton. Next, 8 number. He led a long struggle against apartheid and the raised white government of South Africa. He became the first president of independent South Africa. Guess what is this? Tick tick 5, tick tick 4, tick tick 3, tick tick 2, tick tick 1, and game over. So the answer is Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela. So bye bye kids. Today we studied page number 46 and page number 47.